Give me sunshine, yeah, yeah.
Welcome to the Instant Tutorials by the Ruggeds, where every week we teach you a new breaking technique. My name is Lee, and today I will be teaching you the exercise stacking freezes. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so stacking freezes is a really fun exercise. You can do this alone, or you can do this with your friends. So stacking freezes, it actually explains itself. Just play with the freezes you have, or you can even try to do freezes you cannot really do, but you want to try it in a combo. So for example, I start with a baby freeze, and I want to stack it with another freeze. So I think, okay, I go to my head, an air baby. Here, I switch legs. You can play with it. You can go back here. The most important thing is to make it harder for yourself is to switch arms or switch the form you have with your legs. So for example, I'm here in a chair, or this one, doesn't matter. You want to play with the form. So for example, I go to my head, I go here, I switch forms, I go here, yeah, switch, bum, 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 bum. So that's an example. If you even want to make it harder for yourself, play with height. So you have the lower ones, for example, baby freeze and chair freeze. Then you have the middle on your head and air babies. And you have the higher ones, that's handstand, one handstand balance. This is really fun to do with your friends. For example, I do this with my bro Stepper, also from the Ruggeds. We stack freezes. I begin with a freeze, then he does a freeze, and we keep on stacking and we keep on copying each other. Enough talking, go practice, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.
Yo, what's up YouTube? There are more instant tutorials to check out. So, every week we will be dropping a lot of stuff that you can check and what you can learn. So please, make sure you stop